Hi, Dick Keenan, Keller Williams Realty and the Keenan Carter Group here in Pismo Beach, California. Want to talk a little bit about home sales. Here's an interesting little statistic we ran across. In 1978, there were 4.09 million sales in the United States. However, the population was 223 million. In 2024, there were 4.14 million sales in the United States. However, look what the population was. It was 341 million. Many more people, about the same number of sales. 15 years of real estate sales in San Luis Obispo County. On average, we sell about 3,700 homes over a year on average. However, in 2020, 21, 22, you can see the number of houses that we sold skyrocketed, up way above average. Now, interest rates in 2023, interest rates cracked the 7% margin, and now you can see that we're in a real deficit as far as the number of actual houses that are sold, but on average, we sell 3,666 homes in the county. This is a different look at the same information in 2019, which is below the pandemic. You can kind of see the chart as to how many houses we were selling month to month. And then we can see the same two for 23 and 24. And then lastly here in the gold, you can see what's happening in 25. So the first quarter of 2025 certainly looks like it's falling in within that same range of 23 and 24. One last thing. For you sellers in San Luis Obispo County, we have been fortunate to have the average price per square foot continue to increase year over year, all the way from back down here in 2012, which was the beginning of our upward trend, all the way to end of 2024. The price per square foot has inched up slowly but surely. So if you have any questions, please call us. Keenan Carter Group, Keller Williams Realty. Have a great day. 805-773-7711.